all files using WinRAR and TouchSplit and how to merge them. Back by Assad on October 10, 2008. 53 comments. If you ever wanted to upload and share a 350 megabyte file with your friends using an online file sharing service, but you want to upload the file in smaller chunks. How can you split a big file into multiple chunks and upload it to the file sharing service? WinRAR and TouchSplit are the best applications to not only split big files into several chunks but also to compress them while splitting. Here are two methods to split a large file into several small files. Method 1. Using WinRAR to start splitting, right-click on the file that you want to split. Choose the option Add to Archive. Archive. WinRAR automatically assigns a name for the new archive it is going to create. If you don't want a default name, you can change it as appropriate. Name under the option Split to Volumes. Either enter the desired maximum size of each file chunk or choose an appropriate size from the available drop-down option. In my case, I entered 5 MB for each chunk of file. 5 MB. Click OK and wait for a few seconds. WinRAR compressed the source file and splits it into several files.